you haven't been here before, my name is Kim, and this is the space where we do little science experiments from home. So today's experiment is called electric eels. And in order to do this experiment, we need a few very important things. The first, and probably the most important, is gummy worms. You can use any kind of gummy worms that you'd like, but I suggest getting ones that you also like to snack on for the leftovers that we don't use for the experiment. Additionally, you're going to need some vinegar, about half a cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water. We're going to need about 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and then scissors, a fork, and 2 glasses. It's ideal if the glasses are clear so that we can really see the experiment working. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut up the gummy worms. Now, if you aren't super comfortable doing this, it's ideal to get an adult or someone older than you to help you. I use scissors for mine, but I'm sure if you have an adult helping you, you can also use a knife. So what you're going to do is cut every gummy worm into about 4 different strips. So you're going to cut it this way. So once they're all cut up, this is what they're going to look like. And additionally, I cut some of mine in half just to get more pieces. Yeah, so they're going to look like that. So once you've cut them up, we're going to use about 4 to 6 gummy worms. So once you've got them all cut up, you're going to put them into a bowl. So now you're going to add your water and your baking soda into a glass. So just scoop your baking soda in, add the water, and then give it a good stir. Stir, stir, stir. Now, because this is show business, just kidding. I have one that's already made. Ta-da! And as you can see, some of the dye's already coming out of the worms because it's been in there for a while. So what you're going to do is leave the worms in the baking soda and water for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then what you're going to do is, using our fork, we're going to slowly pull them out. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you some fun facts about electric eels. In my family, we call my fun facts Kimformation. My first fun fact about electric eels is, did you know that they're actually not eels? In fact, they're closer to carps and catfish. So that's kind of a fun fact. Additionally, electric eels, they do have electric organs, and within these organs they have lots of electrocyte cells, and they're kind of like batteries, and they store that electric charge, and then when the eel is threatened or if it's scared, it uses that electricity to shock and stun either the predator or the prey or whoever it is, which is pretty cool. And they can actually hold up to 600 volts of charge. Okay, I think I got all my worms out, so I'll put that to the side. So here are my worms. They've been soaking in there for about 15 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is add my vinegar. And now we're going to add our worms one at a time. It's going to take a couple minutes, but as you can see, they're already starting to bubble. You can hear it too. Now they're starting to move around. So you might be wondering, what's happening to the worms? Well, as we've talked about previously, when you mix sodium bicarbonate and vinegar, which has acetic acid in it, it causes a reaction and it gives off carbon dioxide. And so that reaction is what's causing the worms, or the electric eels in this case, to move around and shake and shimmy. So yeah, that's my experiment for today. Feel free to do it at home and try it out. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!